This is my 2015 Subaru Crosstrek XV, which I plan to make into a mini camper. It is my daily driver and has just over 100,000 miles on it. Kind of a little messy right now, but on the right side is where the bed is going to be, and I'm planning on making it about 25 inches wide. That will leave me close to about 20 inches or so on the left to give me plenty of room to put other stuff, storage, cooler, whatever I want to bring. I don't have exacts of what will go where, but I do know where the bed will go. Other things, they will just have to change around as I use it and figure out what's the best. So if you want to keep up to date as to what's going on with it, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at The Woods Online, or you're subscribed to the channel on YouTube at The Woods Online.